In this video, I will show how to create a macro button to copy paste in Microsoft Excel. Like this, we can type here anything. It will in paste using this macro button. Just you type here, this macro button will copy and paste in that particular cell. So to create this type of button, click on this plus icon. Now enable this developer tab. If you don't know, so file and options, customize ribbon, and here enable this developer. Just select it and OK. So click on this developer tab, then insert, and here click on button from control. Now draw your button. Give a name for this button. My copy paste, my SCP. Now click on OK. I have already some buttons, so it will show the number 4. And in your case, it's your first button, so it will show the number 1. Now click on record. Now give the macro name. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now select the cell where you want to copy. Right click on it and copy and paste in any cell where you want to paste. In my case, it's I want to copy from here and paste here. Then stop recording. Now select this. Now I click on this button, assign macro, and select a macro which you created here. Then click on OK. Now type any number here and click on this macro button. It will automatically copy and paste here. What you type here will paste there. Like here, 7, and click on this button. Testing, and it will paste here automatically. So this way you can create macro button to copy and paste in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.